Welcome to my nightshade-free cooking channel, where I will be sharing my journey and tips with you on living the nightshade-free lifestyle. Nightshade vegetables are often hidden in many processed foods, making it challenging to avoid them. The nightshade vegetables and fruits are tomato, potato, paprika, capsicum, any bell peppers, eggplant. And as a mother of two successful daughters, I classify myself as a graduate from the University of Hard Work and Disappointment. I've learnt to give everything a go and embrace the challenges. Many friends have asked me how I manage my diet and what I cook. So I've decided to create this channel to help others who are struggling to find nightshade-free recipes that are delicious and easy to make from scratch. In this series, I will be cooking real food, avoiding processed ingredients that may contain hidden nightshades. One of the biggest challenges that I have faced is to overcome the addictive nature of potatoes. It can take up to 4 weeks to clear the cravings from my system, but the clarity and energy I gain is worth it. I prefer not to use substitutes like tomato sauce, but instead focus on foods that I can eat safely and enjoyably. For instance, while fresh pasta often contains potato flour, dry pasta does not. So I make all my pasta dishes from scratch at home. This allows me to cook once and enjoy meals 2 or 3 times thanks to my trusty freezer. I love to roast my vegetables and roasts, freeze them, and then have a quick, easy meal. I love to roast pumpkin, carrots, both white and red sweet potato. These veggies can be frozen and quickly reheated for a speedy, nutritious lunch or dinner. With my approach, you can have a roast lunch ready in just 5 minutes. Perfect for busy working days. But these recipes are versatile enough to be enjoyed as a quick and easy evening meal too. Join me on this journey as I share nightshade-free recipes, cooking tips, and meal preparation ideas to make your life easier and healthier. Let's get cooking.